Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know that transferring assets securely is key. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send Avalanche from Trust Wallet to Crypto.com. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring tokens like a pro. First things first, make sure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your device and that your Avalanche tokens are already in your wallet. Also, ensure you have a Crypto.com account set up and ready to receive funds. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Avalanche section. You'll see your AVAX balance there. Double check that you have enough to cover the transfer plus any network fees. Step 2. Tap on the Avalanche wallet, then hit the Send button. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Now, switch over to your Crypto.com app. Go to your wallet, select Avalanche, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: always verify that you're using the correct network, which for Avalanche is the C chain. Back in Trust Wallet, paste that address into the recipient field. Step 3. Enter the amount of Avalanche you want to send. Be mindful of the gas fees, as they can vary based on network congestion in 2025. Aim to send during off-peak hours to save some crypto. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like Face ID or a PIN. Step 4. After sending, keep an eye on the transaction status. You can use a blockchain explorer like Avalanche's official site to track it. It usually takes a few minutes, but times can vary. And remember, never share your private keys or recovery phrases. Safety first in the crypto world. There you have it, folks. You've successfully transferred Avalanche to Crypto.com. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay secure and happy trading. See you in the next one.